Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Beko CDFY22309X integrated double oven. What I want to do today is show you around the oven some of the features and benefits that it offers. This is one of Beko's starting models in the range of double ovens, but just because it's one of the starting model doesn't mean it's not packed full of features. First of all, capacity on the ovens, you're looking at 75 litres for the main oven and 38 litres for the top oven. Now when I say integrated oven, just make sure you are getting the built-in oven if you're after this model rather than the built-under oven. The main difference between the two is the height. So on this particular one you're looking around 88 centimetres high, so from the very top to the very bottom of the oven around 88 centimetres, and on the built-under oven, which is designed to go under a hob, then with that one you're looking around 71 centimetres. Before you order either oven, just have a quick measure of the one you've got and then compare it to the one that you're looking at buying. Just make sure it's the same, because we do get customers that get confused and order the wrong appliances. As you open the bottom door, you'll notice that you've actually got 5 different shelving positions, and it comes with the tray. That's always useful, and also you get 2 shelves to go with it as well. And the bottom one, I suppose, acts as a tray as well, which is always really good. And while I've got the bottom door open, if you want to clean the glass inside, then all you need to do is just take that front plastic part off, just pop that in there a moment, and then just wiggle it out gently, and then you can take the glass out and go and give it a good clean. Now I always love it when manufacturers make life really simple like that for us. And then to put it back in, just put it in a slight angle to get it located at the bottom here, and then get the plastic trim that sits on top, push it on, clips into place, then you're ready to go. As we open the top oven door, this is the oven that's got 38 litre capacity, so it's roughly half of the bottom oven. Nevertheless, it still comes with another shelf, and you will find the grill pan that I showed you earlier, or the main oven pan as some people call it, then that can sit in the top here, so you could have that as a shelf as well. Same as the bottom oven, if you wanted to take that off and to remove the glass as well, then you've got that option to keep the oven door nice and clean from the inside as well. I've just zoomed into the display at the top here. Now you have got a display in the middle here where you can display the time or even some different timer settings. Unfortunately I've not got it connected to the mains at the moment, so I can't show you that in action. What I can go through are some of the controls that it comes with. So first of all, on the right hand side here, you can see a little dot there that would note that it's for the top oven. First of all, you can see that we've got a really good range of temperatures, starting at 50 degrees and going all the way around to over 250 degrees. I always think it's good having the low temperature, so having the 50 degree centigrade option on both ovens really. And that's because if you just want to keep things warm, so if you had some plates just to warm up, then that could be used. So if you cook something in the main oven, then you could find that you could use the top oven almost as a warming section by just putting it on the low temperature. Also things like proving bread. At home I do make some bread on the odd occasion. It's not too often nowadays, but if I could put that in an oven at the low temperature to prove for a while, then that can really help. As far as these options, so the dial can turn both ways. You've got, first of all, this is the top and bottom heating, so that's suitable for things like cakes, pastries, casseroles, and really that's for cooking with, say, one shelf only. Then at the bottom here you've got the bottom heating, so that's really good for things like pizzas, or if you wanted to brown food as well. Next option, this is the grill. So this is the small grill, so if you only had, say, something in the middle that you just wanted to stick under the grill, then that's really the one to use. Or if you wanted the full width grill, which I suppose most of the time, well, certainly for myself and my boys, if I was cooking, for example, a whole range of, say, bacon and sausages under the grill, I definitely need the full width grill, the amount they get through. Because another advantage of fan assisted cooking is that air is evenly distributed around the oven, so you've got much more even cooking as well. As you come around here, the final option, with this one, this is just operating with the fan, so the oven isn't heated, but you have got the fan on, and that could be good for defrosting food slightly quicker than at room temperature. And then to turn it off, you just go up to the option at the top there. I'll just show you in the instructions, you have got a really good chart actually and it just shows you different things that you want needed to cook. It will recommend, I suppose, which level to use it on, because as I showed you in the main oven, you've actually got 5 different levels. So it just gives you recommended times and also the different positions to cook. So I'd recommend just having a quick read through here if you're not too familiar with how long to cook things for. Just show you the energy label on both of the ovens. This is the main oven. As you can see, it's an A energy rating. Proves that it's 75 litres, and it gives you the approximate running cost. So that one is 0.82 kilowatt hours per cycle. And that one again is an A rating. That's the top oven, 38 litre capacity, and on that one at 0.68 kilowatt hours per cycle. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Also, at this time of recording, it does actually come with a 2-year warranty, which is really good because most manufacturers, when you're looking at this sort of price range, tend to go with a 1-year warranty compared to the 2 years that Beko are willing to put on this item. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Beko CDFY22309X integrated double oven. Would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. I know I've not been able to show you the display on here, which is always a little bit disappointing, but I've not got power at the moment to it. But I just want to give you a brief overview of the oven. If you've got any questions on it, then as you can see, I've got this on display at the moment. Also, if you have got one of these, or an integrated double oven from Beko, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.